What's up, Mopar fam? I hope you guys are having a fantastic time out there today. Today, we're going to do another video on a subscriber's truck. Actually, two trucks. And they are really sweet, guys. He has a Ram 1500 Sport and my favorite, an old W150 that he is actually restoring. This is going to be really awesome. He's got some really cool pictures to look at, guys, and a couple videos, so let's check it out. Alright, so Roman hit us up and this is what he said. Here are my trucks that I'm building. The black one I bought about a year ago. It's been a dream since the 4th gen came out and I was finally able to make it possible. It's a 15 Ram Sport 4x4. I did a 4.6 drop with 24-inch RT replicas, custom headlights, tinted taillights, full bolt-on, intake headers, exhaust, 92mm throttle body, and a 19 replica grille. And so much more is coming. I eventually want to put a big cam in it from J Green, rock on, and do some custom engraving on the wheels, shave the door handles, shave the radio antenna, put sport mirrors on, and do a full custom interior and do a custom paint job. I'm currently going to school at Lincoln Tech to learn how to do all this stuff myself so I can truly say I built it myself. That is awesome, and that is really cool, man. Definitely stick with it. You will not regret it. The white truck is a 1988 Dodge Ram W150 that I just bought. I bought it as a project for me and my little sister to build, and so she can have a sweet ride to drive to college. That's awesome. That's absolutely awesome. I plan on doing a full frame off restoration, bagging it, custom paint, custom interior, and some custom fabrication that I'm not revealing just yet. Right on, man. Can't tell those secrets, right? Once I finish both trucks, I'm going to look for my dream car, a 72 Plymouth Roadrunner GTX, and restore and build that. That is one of my favorite Mopars. That is a sweet looking car. Every time I see one of those at the car shows, I absolutely cave. That is a sweet car, and I hope you can find one. I'm only 21 years old, and I'm also the only gearhead in my family. Cars and trucks are my escape and my passion. I hope to build many different cars for people in the future, but these three I mentioned are my current and future dreams. That is so awesome, man. The race with the silver Ram was my favorite because that Ram is cammed and tuned, and everybody was betting against me, but I was able to beat her by a hair. We are going to have a rematch at Truck Invasion in May, so hopefully I'm able to hold her off again. I'm wishing you luck, man. Beat her again, dude. I also included a video of a toy drive a couple of my friends and I hosted to give back to the community. We collected a whole truck bed full of toys and donated it to the Children's Hospital. That is absolutely awesome. I love it. I love hearing stories like that. And some of those car shows is my favorite. The Toys for Tots and all those toy drives, those are absolutely fun car shows to go to. I love my trucks, and I can't wait for summer to get more done on the white Ram. Your channel inspires me to go faster with my 4th gen and makes me excited to start tearing the engine apart. Something I had to teach myself on YouTube. I can't wait to see everyone else's build that you feature. I used to be told I'd never be able to own a truck like this, that it was too expensive and way out of my reach. But I put my head down, I worked extra hard to make it possible. I want kids to see my truck and be inspired. I want them to know that it is possible no matter what your situation is. That is some really cool words. Absolutely awesome. And dude, I don't have much more words besides that is badass. The fact that you're building an old truck for your sister, you're learning this stuff as you go, you're going to school for it, that is awesome. And man, I can't wait to see what you do to these trucks. And I'm really, really interested to see what happens with this W150. Those are hard trucks to find in good shape anymore. And it looks like the one you found is pretty solid, and it should make for a badass build. So stick with it, buddy. And let's check out this truck. Oh, pull it away, pull it away. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Heck yeah, put the gap on her, put the gap on her. That's what I'm talking about. So there you go, guys. That's Roman's truck, or trucks, should I say. They are badass, and I'm super excited to see how they come out in the future. And if you would like to feature your car or truck on the channel, send me an email or Dropbox me to frostbiteram57@gmail.com. Send me a few pictures, a little bit of information of the car or the truck with the mods, and we'll see if we can get it on the channel. Definitely can't wait to see what else is out there. So as always, guys, I hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to tap that subscribe button. Hit the bell button for the notifications. And we'll see you guys on the next one.